What are some other strains people know you for out here?
The Watermelons Martini right now is a new one we hunted. It's watermelon, mimosa, and zope, and it's super killer. Definitely got a zope nose, but got some like sweet watermelon overtones, which is like really nice. That one translates super well to the flavor and always does well, you know, across flower and like hand rolls and pre-rolls, which I think like is really a differentiator because not all flower necessarily translates to like production pre-rolls. Hand rolls, it does usually.
It actually sometimes gets better with hand rolls.
For sure.